Hey, I'm Aaron Marcus. I'm in a hotel right now in Charlotte, North Carolina, getting ready to do a workshop for a bunch of people tomorrow. Really excited about that. But I tell you what I really love doing, and that's when I get an opportunity to do private mentoring, especially in-person private mentoring. And that's what I'm going to be doing in Dallas on two dates. I'm going to open it up for November 20th as well as November 23rd. You can use the link below to learn more about it, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to only allow a maximum of 4 people, and that way we can work one-on-one. Um, what I find is that the hardest thing for people to do when they're first getting started, or if they've been doing this for a while and they just feel like they're in a rut and they're just not jumping to the next level, is to really learn what they need to do step by step to either enter the industry or start doing the kinds of things that they want to do. I know I wish I had someone when I first got started that would have been around to just help walk me through that process instead of doing things by trial and error. So, um, like I said, you use the link below, get all the information. If you're really interested in moving things forward and not just doing the same things over and over again and not getting the results that you need, use the link, sign up. Like I said, I'm only going to allow a maximum of 4 people, and that way I can work with you individually. I'm going to look at your pictures, I'm going to look at your resume, give you feedback, teach you very specific ways to prepare before auditions, auditioning techniques that you absolutely need to use, whether it's for a TV commercial, film, or television, and this will give you your best chance for success. So, if you're really interested, use the link, sign up as soon as possible to be guaranteed a seat. Like I said, I'm only going to allow the first 4 people, then I cut it off. And actually, when you sign up, it's going to be $50 less than if you were to do this online. And I'm going to be in Dallas anyhow, so that's why I decided to set it up for both dates. So anyhow, use the link. Can't wait to work with you in Dallas. See ya.